every shade turns into you.
Imagine generating full 3-minute AI music in just 20 seconds. In this video, we'll install ACE-Step GGUF, an open-source foundation model for AI music generation, fully optimized for low VRAM GPUs using ComfyUI. Let's review what's me. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then clone the extension. Then we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary models for ACE-Step. I have left the link below the comment you can access and download. After downloading, we will move the downloaded files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. Then we will run ComfyUI. Then we drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. We will reselect the models in the node according to the downloaded model. I will run the workflow according to the available prompt.
Cute fennec girl, massive fennec ears, big fluffy tail, long blonde wavy hair, large blue eyes. I love fennec girl.
I will try another lyric. You can also adjust the song duration in seconds.
Through the emerald haze I wander, golden light between the trees. Every breeze becomes a whisper, calling softly back to me. In the forest, love is free, root and heart entwined in mystery. Under moonlight, wild and true, every path will lead to you. Raindrops shimmer on your shoulder. Time stands still, the world is new. In your eyes, the woods grow deeper. Every shade turns into you. In the forest, love is free, root and heart entwined in mystery. Under moonlight, wild and true, every path will lead to you.
And that's it. You've installed ACE-Step GGUF on ComfyUI and generated your first AI song locally, even on a low VRAM GPU. Subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more tutorials.